Truth. If you're waiting to get ready to get on YouTube, you'll never get on YouTube. Because the people who went on this platform aren't the ones who have everything figured out. Nah, they're the ones who hit record anyway. So today I'm going to share with you 3 powerful reasons why you should start before you feel ready. Plus, I give you an action step that you can take right after this video to finally get started. The first reason you should start YouTube before you feel that you're ready: growth happens in public. You don't get good before you start. You get good because you start. Your first video ain't going to be perfect. Let me tell you the truth. Your first video is not going to be perfect. Get that in your mind. You think perfection is getting on YouTube, hitting every point, dotting every I, crossing every T. It's not going to happen. Not in your first couple of videos. My first couple of videos, y'all ain't looking at it. Y'all ain't going to see it. I got it locked up in a vault somewhere. Your first couple of videos is not going to be perfect. It took me a long time to get on YouTube because I was just like you. I was sitting back telling myself, I want to get on YouTube. I'm going to share my message. I want to get, millions of views and all of these things I had in my mind. But before I pressed the button, the thoughts came in my mind. You can't do this. You don't know how to edit. You don't know what you're doing. And that stopped me for years. From 2012, I made some videos and I stopped. 2016, I made some videos and I stopped. But I came back in 2024 and relaunched this channel. The channel got monetized in 5 months. Why? Because I realized growth happens in public. If I didn't have that mentality, I would still be in the same place, hoping and wishing I'm going to get on YouTube. I'm going to get on YouTube. I'm going to get on YouTube. And every time you get ready to start, something's going to stop you. Fear is going to stop you. You're not good enough. You don't know what you're doing. But I'm here to tell you, growth happens in public. As you put these videos out, you're going to learn some stuff. You're going to pick up on some things. You're going to analyze your video, say, what did I do wrong in this video? How can I change it in the next video? Growth happens in public. So what I want you to do, I want you to record a short video, no more than 2 minutes, a 2-minute video. And when you record a 2-minute video on your phone, that's the easiest way to do it. On your phone, a 2-minute video, don't even publish it yet. Don't even publish it yet, because I want you to know that you can do this. And proving it to yourself is doing that 2-minute video. And you're going to have that mentality, I can do this. And since you're going to say, I can do this, you're going to say, man, I'm growing. I'm growing. So now that you see that growth comes from starting, let's move to the second reason why you should start before you feel that you're ready. Now, the second reason is momentum beats perfection. Momentum beats perfection. Because most people get stuck in the planning stage. I'm going to get the $1,000 camera. I'm going to get the $500 microphone. I'm going to get the light stand. I'm going to get this. I'm going to get that. And you're planning. And you're looking at all these other videos, Mr. Beast and all these people, E.T., how they shoot their videos. And you keep planning. By the time you look up, it's already 3 months. And you're like, man, I got to start and shoot a video, but I need to learn this new thing. I need to learn something else. I know you do it, because I've done it. I've been in the planning stage for years, looking at everybody else's video. Everybody that I admire on YouTube, I'm looking at their video, how they do it, how they make their words, how they pronounce their words, how they shoot the videos and everything, what kind of camera they got, what kind of microphone they got. Oh man, that's what I need. I can't start yet till I get it. Take me 2 months to save up to get a camera, get the camera. Oh man, I need a microphone, get the microphone. And still didn't shoot no video. But what I'm here to tell you, once you start and realize growth happens in public, and you start shooting these videos, the momentum will beat perfection. You don't gotta be perfect. You don't gotta be perfect. So what? You mess up on some words. I'm the master of creating new words. So what? The background might not look nice. I was shooting videos in my studio, which was my car. I was shooting videos downstairs in my office, which is just a living room. You don't gotta be perfect. I shot a video one time, didn't even have the microphone on. You see my mouth moving with no sound. It wasn't perfect, but I used that as a teaching lesson in the video. I was mad, but I used it as a teaching lesson. I'm here to tell you, momentum beats perfection. It doesn't have to be perfect. People on YouTube want to see the real you. They don't want to see perfection, because if you are perfect, they don't got nothing to strive for. That's why I'm shooting this video. This is my New YouTube studio. How you like it? How you like my background? How you like the camera being positioned this way? Why? Because I'm gaining the momentum of shooting these videos in different areas of my studio. That's why you need to have momentum, because it beats perfection. And this is what I want you to do. Commit to uploading your first YouTube video in the next 7 days. Don't aim for perfection. Just aim for it being done. Because if momentum is the fuel, the third reason is the fire that keeps you going. Here's the third reason why you should start YouTube before you feel that you're ready. Your audience needs you. Because there's people out there searching for the knowledge that you have inside. There's people searching for that answer that they've been searching for years, and you're the one who's carrying that answer. And you thinking you're not ready. You are ready. You think you got to be perfect. You don't have to be perfect. You're going to grow in public. And as you're growing in public, you're just sharing the information that you have on the inside already. It doesn't matter how you present it, long as you present it. Because your audience needs you to speak. They need you now. That's a song, I Need You Now. But they need you now. That's why you got to start before you feel that you're ready. Because if you're thinking you got to be ready before you get started, it's not going to work, because you're always going to be thinking that and you're never going to start. Do what you got to do what you got to do to get your butt on YouTube. Since your message is already ready inside of you, you don't have to get ready because it's in you. You don't got to memorize anything. You don't got to write down no script. You don't got to do anything. Why? Because they're waiting for you to give your message the way that you have it, because they need you to be your authentic self. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to write down a simple message, just a simple message for somebody to hear today. Then turn that into your first video. That's all you got to do. You don't got to wait to get ready. You're already ready. So start from where you at. Growth happens in public. And since growth happens in public, as you publish these videos that you say you're not ready, just publish the videos. And as you keep publishing them, the momentum will beat the perfection that you're trying to accomplish. Forget about being perfect. The momentum will cause you to grow faster than you can think. And your audience is already there for you. It's waiting for you. They just have to know that you're there. And while they know that you're there, they're going to come and say, I don't care if you're perfect. Give me the answer. Give me the answer. Then you're going to realize, man, I'm growing in public. That's why you got to start even when you feel that you're not ready. That's why you have to get on YouTube now. And if you need any help, type in the comment section, #help, and I'm here for you. Because in the My Time community, we help you grow your channel as you grow your life. And if you grow your life, your channel got no other. Yo, here's not to grow. I'm asking My Time to get on YouTube. You're never going to start. The people who win on this platform are the ones who start. Yo, here's the truth. If you're waiting to get ready to get on YouTube, you'll never start. Because the people who win on YouTube are the ones who don't have everything figured out. Nah, they're the ones who hit the record button anyway. So today, I'm going to share with you 3 powerful reasons why you start YouTube before you feel ready. And on top of that, I'm going to give you an action step you can take to finally get moving on YouTube. So let's get into it.